When the last alarm stopped ringing, I realized it was truly over. The city that once roared with engines and chatter now lay frozen in stillness. Street lights blinked without purpose. Traffic lights changed for ghosts. I walked past cars abandoned mid-turn. Coffee cups still warm on tables. Clothes swaying gently on empty balconies. The silence wasn't peaceful. It was deafening, heavy, almost sacred. For the first time, I heard the wind weaving through shattered windows, whispering through the ruins like a lullaby to a dying world. Maybe Earth wasn't ending after all. Maybe it was finally sleeping.